Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl, and welcome back to another full chapter reading of my novel, The Sea Glass Journal. In today's episode, I will be reading chapter 10. If you're just getting started, please follow the link in the video description to the full playlist where you can start at chapter 1. Let's get started. Chapter 10. I woke to the sound of the phone alarm vibrating against the floor. I must have knocked it off the bed in my sleep. The light in the room was soft and gray, pre-dawn, but no longer night. My neck ached. I blinked hard, momentarily disoriented. I was still in my clothes from the day before. The watercolor card lay beside me, its corner slightly curled from where I must have rolled over it. Bjorn stirred at the foot of the bed and stretched, blinking at me with the slow patience of someone who hadn't lost sleep. I hadn't meant to fall asleep like that. I sat up slowly, rubbing the sleep from my face. My eyes were gritty, and my thoughts came back in uneven pieces. The porch, the trees, the canal, the card, Evelyn, Sea Glass Soul. The name didn't feel distant anymore. I made a cup of strong black tea. I took the first sip as I stepped outside for a short walk. Bjorn followed me to the door and let out a low meow of protest as I left. "I know," I whispered. "I'm sorry, baby. I'll be back soon." I needed to update my resume, figure out how to tell Holly I was done, but my mind kept returning to the dock, the lemons on the tree, the way the light moved through the kitchen. Maybe distance would make things clearer. I finished my tea and kept walking. I was tired of pretending I didn't already know. I pulled out my phone. I didn't have a plan, but I had a direction. The call rang twice before voicemail picked up. "Hi, this is Tess Wilder. I visited the property. I'd like to talk about next steps. Please call me back." I ended the call before I could revise it. A pelican landed on a piling across the canal. No plan, just movement. Thank you for joining me for the full chapter reading of Chapter 10. Please join me every Sunday evening for another full chapter reading of my book, The Sea Glass Journal. If you haven't already started at Chapter 1, you can catch up at the playlist linked in the video description. And if you want to read ahead, you can also find a link to start reading The Sea Glass Journal now. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.